Hello everybody, welcome to PrePreMed. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Angela. I am a high school senior getting ready to study neuroscience in the fall at college, and today I am going to be unboxing the Garmin Vivo 3. So excited. So I decided to get this watch for two reasons. One, I wanted something that I could use not only for running and being active, but also wear in the professional world, in the hospital, on the floors, in meetings, with business clothes, workout clothes, whatever. And then also I am an ultra marathon runner, so I wanted a watch that was going to last me a long time. Before I got this watch, I used this one, which is the Forerunner 220. It's amazing. I love this watch. There's nothing wrong with this watch. If you're thinking about getting this watch, highly recommend it. I don't have anything bad to say. It's just 9 years old, 8 to 9 years old, and is dying and needed a new one. I like this one. I wore it to all of my high school dances. There's nothing wrong with it, but I wanted something for college that's a little bit more feminine, kind of looks nice. So here we go. So this actually came in like a cardboard box, but that had my address on it. I was just like taking out of that. So this is how it came. Has all the, I think those are the specifications. Don't really know, can't see that font, it's too small. This is what the box looks like. It's a nice, hard, like cardboard box. This is what it looks like when you open it. I think that says Garmin Connect app, which I have for my other watches. Then you take it out. It has a nice case. I can keep it in this box when I'm not using it if I'd like to. Oh, it's so nice. This is what the band looks like. It's kind of, it's like plasticky. And there's a bunch of little holes so that you can change the sizing of it. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. This is the white and rose gold one. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so grateful that I got this one. How do I get this one? There we go. I always wear my watch on my left side. I don't know why, I just do. It's so nice. Oh my goodness. So I have really like a thin wrist, so I have it up to like the third or fourth one. But then it also has this nice little strap that you can put the excess in. It's very soft. It's very beautiful. That is what it looks like on. So beautiful. Oh my god. It's like reflective. I can see it. It is amazing. So I think I'm going to end this clip and get charged so that I can show you what the screen looks like. Okay, so now I have this guy fully charged, 100%. It was super easy to charge, just used the USB. And now I'm going to show you some of the features that I've discovered just kind of playing around with it. So the one thing I did was increase the brightness on the screen, which was amazing. So those of you who don't know, I'm low vision and I need a lot of light to be able to see anything. So I was able to make it bright. I was also able to change the watch face by swiping up. You can make your own, or they have preset ones. These ones I can't see very well, so I chose this guy. You can also customize it by changing what goes here. So I wanted the date and how much battery I had. And then also you can change it so that it's on the military time, your colors, and then you hit accept, done. And mine switched back because I also have this setting on military time. Here's some of the things you can do. Clocks, stopwatches, timers, alarms, and time. So this is how I got it with the 24-hour format. Very easy to swipe. You swipe up and it will tell you things like this. I only had this for a part of the day. That's why I only have 1,000 steps. The weather is cold. Messages. music when I get to that point, heart rate, these steps. Oh, this is like measuring stress. Interesting. All right. Calendar, and then back here. So that is kind of the setup. This guy on the side, there's a nice little button here. That's how you start your workouts. Run, walk, ski. I selected these because those are kind of the activities I do. You can also click other stuff. Biking indoors, walking indoors, floor climb. That's really cool at the gym when I do the stair climber. Pool, swim, strength, cardio, elliptical, stair stepper, rower, row, indoor. Then you can add these, stand-up paddleboarding, yoga, or you can create your own, which is really cool. And you can just get back to the home screen. So that is kind of an overview of the watch face. It's amazing. I love it so far, and I can't wait to run with it tomorrow morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.